Next, seventh question. A milkman is there. He is having some buffaloes and he is selling two buffaloes. Two buffaloes he is selling for 20,000 rupees each. He says he is selling 20,000 rupees each. But he is making 5% gain on first buffalo and a loss of 10% on other buffalo. Why it is happening? Why the difference is? We are having the selling price same, but we are getting the difference. That means their cost price is not same. They are different. Cost price of one buffalo is different, other is different. So he is asking overall what is his gain or loss. So what we will do is first we will find the cost price of first buffalo and second buffalo. After finding, we will add up. So we will get the total cost price. Selling price, we know 20,000 each. So 20 plus 20, 40,000 is the selling price. So by comparing, we will see whether he got gain or profit. Let us see. So before that, first let us write the formulas. Profit equal to, when we get profit, the selling price will be more. So SP minus CP. So in this case, how do we get SP? SP equal to, when it gives to other side, profit plus CP. When we get a loss, CP minus SP. In this case, we will get SP as CP minus loss. So by using this formula, we will do now. Now, in first case, we got gain of 5%. So we will calculate first buffalo. First buffalo. Now, what is CP? We don't know. Cost price? We don't know. So what we will do is, let cost price equal to X. Now, first one, selling price equal to profit plus CP. What is selling price? 20,000. We know 20,000 equal to profit. What is profit? 5%. So 5 by 100 of X. 5% no? 5% of CP. So 5 by 100 into X plus CP. What is CP? X. We have taken CP as X. So instead of CP, we are writing X. Profit, what is profit? 5%. So what is profit? Profit equal to profit equal to 5%. If this is given, then what we will do? 5 by 100 into CP we will take. We will calculate the profit or loss based on cost price. So profit, if profit is 5%, that is 5 by 100 into CP. So that we are taking here. We don't know the CP, so we are taking it as X. So let us solve this. 5 ones are 5 20s are 1 by 20. So this is so 1 by 20. That implies X by 20 plus X equal to 20,000. So LCM 20 X plus 20 X equal to 20 plus 1, 21X by 20 equal to 20,000. So X equal to, when it goes to other side, 20,000 into 20 by 21. So 20,000 into 20, 2 twos are 4, 3, 4 zeros. 3, 4, 5 zeros by 21. So when we do this, we will get 19047.62. Now let us understand this. This is the equation we got. Now x by 20 plus x. We are taking LCM. 20 here, 21s are 1x. This is by 1. 20x. 1 plus 20x, x plus 20, 21x by 20. That is equal to 20,000. So when this 20,000 goes to other side, it will become into 20 divided by 21. 21 when it goes to other side, 21 division. So 4 lakhs by 21, which gives us 19,047 rupees 62 paisa. So this is the cost price on first buffalo. On first buffalo, this is the cost price. In the same way, we will calculate the cost price of second buffalo based on this loss of 10%. Let us do second buffalo. Here he says loss of 10%. The same method. See. The selling price will be same. 20,000 equal to SP equal to CP minus loss. What is CP? We have taken it as X. X minus loss. What is loss? 10%. 10 by 100 of X. These equations are important. First, what we are doing? This we are substituting here. So here SP equal to profit plus CP. So we are taking profit and adding to CP. Here on second buffalo, CP. What is CP? X minus loss. What is loss? 10%. So 10 by 100 of CP. Okay? So clear. 0, 0. This is X minus X by 10. X minus X by 10. So this is over now. So first buffalo CP is first. CP we got it as 19047.62. Well, let us erase it so that it will be clear. Now, second buffalo, what we got? X minus X by 10 equal to 20,000. This is what I am writing here. Now, let us solve 10x minus x. 10x minus x by 10 equal to 20,000. So we know this now. 10 as LCM by 1, 10x x. So 9x by 10. 9x by 10 equal to 20,000. That implies x equal to 20,000 into, this is 9 by 10. When it goes to other side, it will become 10 by 9. So when we solve this, we will get 22,222 rupees 22 paisa we are getting. When we solve this, we are getting. This is a rupees. So now, on second, the cost price is 22,222 0.22 we are getting. Okay, now we have cost price of 2 buffaloes. So what is the total cost price if we add 4, 8, 7 plus 2, 9, 6, 2, 1, 4. So this is total cost price. So total cost price of 2 buffaloes is 41269.84. What is the selling price? Selling price is, we know 20,000 each. Each 20,000. 2 buffaloes 20,000 plus 20,000. So it is 40,000. SP equal to 40,000. Now cost price is 41,269. Selling price is 40,000. Now which is more? Cost price is more. So we incurred 41,269, but we sold only for 40,000. So we will get loss. What is the loss? Loss equal to CP minus SP, that is 4, 8, 9, 6, 2, 1. So that is 1,269 rupees 84 paisa. So overall that milkman had got loss, and the loss amount is 1,269 rupees.